Picture yourself in the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. The Silverado 1500 is the full-size pickup that blends a spacious, quiet cabin, technology that keeps you connected, smooth handling, and the toughness you need for all your projects. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: convenience package, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, 4-cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, keyless start. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.